application and need accurate dust-free drilling but need to change sizes often, this pack includes everything needed to run the ADD quick release system. Just add the sizes of ADD bayonet coupling bits that you need. Quick release adapter is mounted, the wrenches are no longer needed. Everything else is completely tool-free. It still fits in the case with the adapter in place. The ADD system uses a bayonet mount. Hand force is sufficient to lock. The ADD system allows maximum airflow for superior dust absorption. The centering pilot slips into place for accurately starting the hole. Pulls right out. Then continue to finish the hole. The tool-free 200mm extension allows extra reach for double walls. Is also available for the DM62 2-speed heavy-duty drilling motor.